For today's video, I will show you the full process of bypassing iPhones that are locked on the activation screen. First and foremost, we need to restore our iPhone to iOS 18.5 and open the iRemoval Pro software that we'll be using for the bypass. Once the tool detects the device, it will automatically check if it's supported or not. If it is supported, we can then proceed to register the iPhone serial number. Usually, the registration process takes around 3 to 4 days. Once the serial number of the iPhone has been successfully registered, we'll open the iRemoval Pro software again and press the Activate button, then follow the instructions provided by the software. Before clicking the Activate button, make sure to disconnect the iPhone from Wi-Fi. Once the device is ready, we can press the Activate button and just follow the tool's instructions. Normally, the bypass process only takes about a minute if no errors are encountered. But if there is an error, just disconnect and reconnect the device and repeat the procedure. In the middle of the process, the tool will prompt you to connect the iPhone to Wi-Fi. Just go ahead and do that, and then wait for the bypass process to complete. The iPhone may restart several times. Just let it do so, as this is part of the bypass process. Once it's done, restart the iPhone to test if it no longer returns to the activation screen.
So ito mo, okay na siya. Bale, itong unit, bawal siyang i-restore. Kasi bypass lang siya. So, alam niyo naman siguro, bypass without signal yan. So, Wi-Fi lang magagamit. Pwede mo siyang i-update. Kunwari, may nag-update ang phone niya dito. Merong lumabas na bagong, kasi ngayon, ang pinakamataas iOS 18.5. Ngayon, kung if ever na may iOS 19 or mas mataas sa 18.5, pwede mo siyang i-update dito.
Pero bawal lang po yun.
Bawal mo lang siyang i-reset at saka i-restore. Yung reset, yung talagang buburahin mo lahat. Tapos, pag binura mo, magbabalik siya dun sa activation lock. So, okay na po yan.